Green Tops Tree Service and Landscaping, a family-owned and operated company driven by pride in our work and the Southwest Florida communities we call home, where our customers have come to expect nothing less than world-class service delivered by skilled and certified professionals. From our field operation teams to the front office staff, we're dedicated to precise attention to detail and your complete satisfaction. With state-of-the-art heavy machinery and all the right tools for any job, our ISA-TRAQ Certified teams will deliver high-quality services you need in a timely and safe manner for people and property. Tree trimming, maintenance and removal, stump grinding, landscaping for commercial and residential properties, emergency storm response, and risk assessment. Schedule your free on-site estimate today. Call us at 941-468-1655 or log on to greentops.com. Green Tops Tree Service and Landscaping. Diligent, courteous, and safe.